My topic is a picture of someone special. He is not only my someone special, but he is the pride of all the Indians. He is none than other, Shaheed-e-Azam Sardar Bhagat Singh. My first introduction with him is from his picture in a small room which I have been watching since my early childhood. Later on, when I joined the school, I came to know that he belongs to the galaxy of freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for freedom of our country. One day, in our school library, I came across a book named Bhagat Singh and his jail diary. I was astonished to know what a bibliophile he was. His love for books is legendary like him. As per some estimates, he read nearly 50 books during his schooling, about 200 from his college day to the day of his arrest in 1921, and approximately 300 during his imprisonment of 716 days. Even at the time of his execution, he was reading a book, State and Revolution by Lenin. This painting is by Gurprit artist Bathinda, aptly depicts his personality and message that bombs and pistols do not make revolution. The sword of revolution is sharpened on whetting stone of ideas. Now I would like to tell other side of his personality. Look at this picture of his, having a handlebar mustache and SQ hat. He looks like an extreme revolter. He participated in many several acts of vandalization against British. He blasted two non-lethal bombs in Parliament to make deaf Englishmen hear the demand of Indian independence. He was hanged on 23 March 1931 in Lahore along with Rajguru and Sukhdev, but he is still alive in our hearts, inspiring the youth. In the end, I would like to say, the more we know him, the more special he becomes. Thank you. Have a nice day.